Hi, I'm James from Spares Direct. We often get asked about problems with dishwashers, what you can do to fix them, and the spare parts that you'll need. Today, we're going to show you how to fix the door lock on a Beaker dishwasher. Safety first, we always recommend you unplug the dishwasher from the mains before we start any repair. The tools we'll need today are a set of screwdrivers only, and the model we'll be working on is the Beaker DWD 5412S. And you can find more handy hints and tips on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Okay, so there's two possible parts that could fail relating to the door lock. There's the electronic door lock itself and the door latch, which we'll come to in a minute. So first of all, to remove the door lock, we need to unscrew the fascia. On this Beaker model, just 4 screws along the top. Be careful with the fascia because it will only be connected now by the wires. Okay, so to remove the electronic door lock, we first need to disconnect the wires by sliding this piece sideways. To remove the door lock itself, I'm going to take a small flathead screwdriver and just release the catch that's holding the door lock in place, like so. To replace the new door lock, simply clip it into place. Like that. Reconnect the electrical wires and locate the fascia back in place. Put the screws back in. Okay, so that's the door lock fitted. Now we'll show you how to fit the door latch. So this is the door latch here, which can be quite prone to breaking. To remove that, we need to take the top off the machine. To remove the top, there's usually 2 screws at the back of the machine. And then the lid should just slide off. The next step is to remove this locating piece here, which just pulls off, and you should be able to see the 2 ends of the latch just here. If you squeeze them together, they will just release from the back there, and the latch, squeeze it again at the front, will just pull out. Let's pop the new one back in. Simply locate it through the holes, squeeze it together, and again at the back, and that's the new latch fitted. Replace this plastic peg, put the lid back on, place the screws. And that's how you can fix a door lock on a Beaker dishwasher. You can find the right door lock for your dishwasher and a whole range of dishwasher spares at sparesdirect.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful videos.